Hello children, good morning and welcome back to English class. Children, in today's session, we are going to start a new chapter in grammar. And the name of the chapter is Verbs. Now children, do you know what is a verb? Let me explain you. Words that tells us what people, animals or things do are doing words or action words. Doing or action words are called verbs. As you can see on the image also, there are some verbs given in this picture like drinking, swimming, cooking, watching, running and writing. So children, these all are verbs, or we can say action words also or doing words also. So a verb is an action word. It shows the action and motions. A sentence cannot work without an action. That is verb. Now children, for example, observe the picture and tell me what the boy is doing. Yes, the boy is running. So here run is a verb. We can say action word or doing word. Now observe the second picture and tell me what is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is dancing. So here dance is a verb. Now observe the third picture and tell me what is the baby doing? Yes, the baby is crying. So cry is a verb. Now observe the fourth picture and tell me what is the man doing? In the water, what is the man doing? Yes, the man is swimming. So swim is action word or we can say verb also. Now observe the third picture. It is an animal. Children, can you tell me the name of this animal? Yes, it is a lion. Lion is also called the king of jungle. So children, tell me, what is the lion doing in this picture? Yes, lion is roaring. So roar is action word. Now observe the last picture and tell me, what is this baby doing? Yes, the baby is laughing. So here laugh is an action word. So children, run, dance, cry, swim, roar, laugh. These all are doing words or we can say action words. Understood children? So words that tells us what people, animals or things do are doing words or action words. And these doing or action words are called verbs. So children, I hope that you have understood what is a verb. Now in this lesson, children, we are going to learn verbs, actions in present tense and verbs, actions in the past tense. The verbs that tells us about actions that happen every day or regularly. These verbs are in the simple present tense. And the verbs that tells us about actions that happened some time ago. These verbs are in the simple past tense. Present tense. Now let us find out about present tense. Present tense indicates an action that is happening now. Like it is raining. Children, you have to remember the rules of simple present tense. With words I, you, we and they, we add a verb as it is. We do not add anything to the verb. We just use the verb as it is. Now, with words he, she and it, we use a verb but we add s to it. Okay, children? So remember that with words he, she and it and the names, we use a verb and add s to it. Now the examples. Bill jogs every day. Here, Bill is the name of a boy. Right, children? So it is not I, you, we and they. It's a name. So we are going to use the verb jog. And because it is a name, we add s to the verb jog. So the word jog becomes jogs. So Bill jogs every day. Now the second one is, he plays basketball every Sunday. Here, children, because we are using the word he, the verb used to the sentence is play. And because it is he, so we are going to add s to the verb play. So it becomes plays. So he plays basketball every Sunday. Past tense. The past tense indicates actions that have already happened. Children, you have to remember the rules of past tense. Most of the words, verb plus ed. For most of the words, we add ed at the end of the verb. For some words, the root word changes into a new word. For examples, the butterflies flew away. Here the verb given was fly. But they have already flew away, means they have already gone. So we have changed the verb fly to flew. We have changed the spelling also. The girl ate her food. The girl is not eating. She has already finished eating food. So we have changed eat to eat. Eat to ate. Now children, you have to remember. Note that is singular and are plural are used as present tense. In present tense, we use is for one thing, and when we are talking about more than one thing, we use the word are, and they are helping verbs also. Note that was and were are used as past tense. Was is used for one thing and were is used for more than one thing, and they are also helping verbs. Exercise. Underline the present tense with blue and past tense in red in the following sentences. Now the first one. He drinks milk every day. Here children, you have to underline present tense with blue and past tense in red color. So he drinks milk every day. What is the verb over here, children? Very good, drinks. So which color you will use for present tense? Blue, right? And for past tense, red. So which color you are going to use here? Yes, blue color. So drinks in the present tense. What will be the past tense of drink? Drank. Now the second one is she learned for the test yesterday. Which word is the verb over here, children? Very good. It is learnt. So the word learnt is in the present tense or past tense? We know the root word is learnt, right? And in present tense we only add s. So what is the tense of this word? Yes, it is the past tense. And why we have used past tense over here? Because she learnt for the test yesterday. Yesterday is already gone. Has already gone. So learnt is past tense. Now he went to the market yesterday. So which word is the verb over here, children? Excellent. Went is the verb. So went is in the present tense or past tense? Yes, it is in the past tense because he went to the market yesterday. Yesterday has already gone. It is in the past. Now the fourth one is he drives car every day. So which word is the verb over here, children? Yes, it is drives. That means he is driving right now or every day. Whatever happens every day, it is in present tense. So we have added here s to the verb drive. So it is in the present tense. So here the sentence will be he drives car every day. Now circle the past tense verbs. We know that ed is added to the modes of the words in the past tense, isn't it? Can you find? Excellent. Danced. Is run is in the past tense? No, it is not. Jumped? Yes, it is in the past tense. Learns? No, because s is added to present tense verb. What about the next word, walked? Is it? Yes, it is in the present past tense. What about the next word, missed? Yes, it is also a past tense verbs. What about the rises? No, it is not. Now, next exercise is choose the correct present tense verbs in each sentence. Options given to you are play and plays, piano. Remember children, with I, you, we and they, we use the verb as it is. We do not add anything to the word, okay? So we are going to use play. Mom, the options given to you are cook or cooks, delicious food. So mom is a person, right? It's a name of a person. So what do we use with that? Yes, we will use cooks. So mom cooks delicious food. Now next sentence. Let us read together, children. A dog, the options given to you are is or are. A man's best friend. A dog is a name of an animal, right children? And a dog is a man's best friend. So dog is one animal. So with singular we use is. Okay. So the sentence will be a dog is a man's best friend. Because with singular we will use is. They, the options given to you are live or lives in Tokyo. Remember the rule of present tense with words I, you, we and they. We do not make any changes to the verb. We use the verb as it is. So what we are going to use here? Which verb we will use? Yes, we will use live. They live in Tokyo. Red pandas is, are in danger. So which word we are going to use here? Is or are? Look at the noun. The noun over here is pandas. Red pandas. It is more than one pandas. So which word we are going to use? Yes, we are going to use are. The red pandas are in danger. Now choose the correct past tense verb. Let us read it together. The dress dash very uncomfortable. Here the options given to you are ate and was. The dress dash. Which word we are going to use here? Yes, we are going to use here was. The dress was very uncomfortable. The second is the John dash his food. Which word we are going to use here? Ate or was? Yes, we are going to use ate his food. Yes, John ate his food. Now let us have a quick summary what we have learned today. We learned to identify present and past tense, to use present and past tense accurately in sentences. Now you have to remember all this, children. And always remember the rules with words I, you, we and they. We use the verb as it is in the present tense. We do not make any change to it. Okay, children? And with words he, she and it and names, we use the verb with s. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.